Well guys, this is Joe with another installment of Ugly HP. Today I got a 06 Chevy Impala, and I'm doing the recirculation actuator, which is going to be a guy back here. Trying to get a good angle for you. It's going to be at the end of the blower on the right side. If you open up the glove box, you'll be able to see it. To know whenever one went bad, whenever you go to turn on the AC, and you start hearing that clicking noise. Now make sure before you do this, you set your AC to off. Make the outside air come in, because you're gonna need to recalibrate that whenever you put the new one in.